The scene is set in a dimly lit room, emphasizing a sense of isolation and distraction. A student is present, illuminated primarily by the glow of a computer screen. A long to-do list is visible, symbolizing pending responsibilities. Despite the workload, the student is engrossed in social media. This highlights the initial stage of procrastination, choosing immediate gratification over obligations. Procrastination often manifests as avoidance behavior. This avoidance is symbolized by repeatedly checking a phone instead of working. The passage of time, from day to night, illustrates time wasted. This cycle reinforces procrastination as a coping mechanism. The prefrontal cortex is responsible for planning and decision-making. The limbic system is associated with pleasure and instant gratification. Social media use triggers dopamine release, activating the limbic system. Challenging tasks result in lower dopamine levels. This imbalance leads to a neurological preference for instant gratification over long-term goals. This preference is a key factor in procrastination. A timer is used to set a short, manageable work period, such as 5 minutes. A reminder note emphasizes starting with minimal effort to overcome initial resistance. The phone is placed face down to reduce distractions and maintain focus. This approach facilitates gradual immersion and sustained concentration on the task. Successfully completing projects can lead to a sense of satisfaction and accomplishment. Overcoming procrastination is key to achieving project completion and experiencing positive outcomes. Sustained motivation is supported by integrating healthy habits into daily routines. Regular exercise is a beneficial habit that contributes to overall well-being and motivation. Journaling and reading are additional habits that can enhance mental clarity and sustained motivation. The scene depicts a student leaving an organized workspace with confidence. The organized desk symbolizes a prepared and focused mindset. The student's confident departure suggests successful task completion or readiness for a new challenge. A visible sticky note with the phrase "just start" emphasizes the importance of initiating tasks. This reinforces the module's key message about overcoming inertia and beginning work. The limbic system drives the desire for immediate satisfaction. This drive often leads to prioritizing short-term pleasure. Prioritizing short-term pleasure can override focus on long-term goals. This conflict triggers procrastination as tasks are avoided. Avoidance creates feelings of guilt and increased stress. Guilt and stress, in turn, reinforce the procrastination cycle. The prefrontal cortex governs planning and decision-making processes. The limbic system drives the desire for immediate gratification and rewards. The limbic system can overpower the prefrontal cortex. This imbalance often leads to procrastination. The core strategy involves dividing large tasks. Tasks are segmented into smaller, more manageable steps. This breakdown reduces the perceived difficulty of the overall task. Smaller steps are easier to initiate and complete. This approach helps overcome initial resistance to starting the task. A dedicated workspace enhances focus by minimizing distractions. This setup helps reduce the urge to procrastinate. Minimizing interruptions is crucial for maintaining concentration. Establishing a consistent routine further improves productivity. A well-organized workspace supports efficient and effective work habits. Effective time management techniques can significantly boost productivity. The Pomodoro technique is one such method, utilizing focused work intervals. This technique involves working in 25-minute blocks followed by short breaks. Regular, scheduled breaks are crucial for maintaining focus and motivation. These breaks help prevent burnout, ensuring sustained productivity over time. Integrating structured breaks into work schedules optimizes cognitive function and output. Regular reflection on progress is crucial for reinforcing positive behavior. Celebrating even small achievements can build momentum. Recognizing accomplishments, regardless of size, fuels ongoing motivation. This positive reinforcement loop encourages continued effort and improvement. Therefore, reflection and celebration are key to sustaining progress.